Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use eye contact feature on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create a new project. Then I'm going to show you how we can use the eye contact feature on our photo or video. For your information guys, we can use the eye contact feature or enable the eye contact feature for photo or video. So I'm going to add video and then a photo as well. For the video, I'm going to use video from the CapCut library, this one, and click on add. Okay, now the oops, where's the video? Okay, I gotta add it again. Okay, this one guys. All right. And then to make the process faster, I'm going to cut the video. Okay, then you just need to tap on your clip and you can choose the eye contact feature. And to enable the eye contact feature, you can click on this toggle button like this. And now the eye contact feature has been enabled. And this is the result. As you can see, guys, that the girl is looking at the camera now. So we can use this eye contact feature if we want to look at the camera without looking at the camera. And I'm going to apply it to this photo as well. We can go to the eye contact and click on this toggle button. Okay. Actually, you can use apply to all if you want to apply the eye contact feature to all the members. Again, you can see the different, right? Before I apply the eye contact feature, and this is after I apply eye contact feature. Okay, this feature will allow us to looking at the camera when we are reading a script. So it allows you to read your script without looking at the camera. It will be so helpful if you don't want to look at the camera, but you want to do that in your video. Okay, and then I'm going to export my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use eye contact feature in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.